Dear students, good morning to everybody. In the last video of our English class, I just taught you about the chapter number 6, and that is Around the World in Pancake. In the world there are different kind of region, different state, different country, different continent. For every part of the region there are different type of pancake people are enjoying. So this chapter we had start on the day, and we could learn more about the pancake, the origin of the pancake, how our ancestor they could start the different type of food which was made by the corn flour or wheat flour. Now today we will see there are different types and different tastes, different stage and type of pancake in the different part of the world. So I like to request to all of you, today we are going to continue this chapter, and you will open the book page number 47. Page number 47. We will continue this chapter from the paragraph. Okay, the students be with me on page number 47. Yes, we had studied these things. According to the recipe for pancake too has improved since these days. The recipe, the process to make and to add the different kind of foods and flavor, and there is a lots of improvement we can see in these days, means from the olden times to this modern time. If you look at the simple pancake that is popular in European and North American country today, the pancake it is very popular in North and American countries, and this pancake would be made much better than the quality. What was the quality? Where you used fun and water. So today people are using lots of ingredients. They can add chocolate, milk, and different type of flavor. The next, American or British pancake are usually made using modern flour of maida. In this time people are using the maida, and maida it bring a texture, a good shape or size. That means the good texture we can see when you use the maida. And water and the butter has been replaced by the milk. The milk has replaced the water. And buttermilk, or sometimes people are using egg. That means the taste of milk pancake, it's bring a different taste. People use beaten egg to make flour and milk, buttermilk or water blend butter. This has added benefit of making the pancake fluffier because of the airy egg whites within and nutritious too. The shape, that means it give a different textures, very soft. If you touch, then you can feel that one very soft, and it is easy to put into the mouth. The next, a butter made using this easily available and affordable ingredients can be used to make multiple pancake. This is available and affordable. That means everyone can afford this flavor, and you can prepare this type of flavor within few seconds or few minutes. We cannot lose any at that time we cannot lose what we will say. That means you cannot waste your time. That will be prepared by within few seconds or minute. The all over the result is substantially yummier pancake. Yummier, that means very delicious. because our ancestor cavemen, they would have eaten this one. The rising of the pancake from our ancestor, they already enjoyed these things. But as we saw earlier, pancake are made differently in different part of the world. If you go to earlier stage or earlier time, you can see the pancake are made in different part, in different type, and this because the wheat does not grow. Why? The flavor or flour, the main flour which is used to make pancake, that is wheat, and the wheat may not grow all over the world. Only few region or few countries are there, they grow wheat. But the problem is not here. In a different part of the world where the people are not growing wheat, they are using the different type of flour. And different pulses. And successful recipe have been passed down the generation. That means generation by generation, the preparation or the ingredients and the process of making pancake, it is changed day by day, and it's go through the generation, adding their own twist over the time. And additionally, pancakes are also accompanied by a variety of different sauces or topping. That means you can use the different type of utensils. You can use sauce or topping. As a result, we can now find pancake in virtually every part of the world. That means we can see very nearly, or the appear to exist. Virtually, that means appear to exist in different part of the world, and that is very unique. Each textures and each part of the texture of the pancake has different shape, different size, and their texture is also different, and they look very unique. That means the pancake is different from other region or other part of the pancake. There is some unique texture. Let's look at how different people enjoy pancake in various parts of the world. I will show you some picture of the pancake. Okay, look at here. Look at this picture. The picture of this pancake, it look like the dosa, especially we made in our home. Then another picture I will show you. Yes. The next, look at here. This pancake, especially this type of pancake prepared in France, and it is very common dish there. The common dish of France is pancake, and it has different name. Some are saying crepes and some are saying galette. But the texture which is used, here you can apply the chocolate flavor. You can use here chocolate. And here you can see fruits. People are applying here fruits. Then here also. Then how to give the texture. Then again fruits. So this is different one. So picture which I show you here on the screen, you can see and you can learn. Because the people of France, they are very fond of eating pancake. The pancake which they call crepes, in that particular pancake they used to serve fruits, ice cream, jam and chocolate, even chocolate. And this even chocolate, and serve to the people. And this pancake bring a different taste. An additional pudding can be also stuffed with savory fillings such as cheese, meat, seafood and spinach. Then another pancake which I told you, that is galette. In this pancake people used meat, vegetable, and another pancake from France, and it is used with the wheat flour. And we can see the buckwheat. What is called buckwheat? A type of seed that can be used to make flour. That is not wheat actually, but that is different type of seeds and which is used as a flour to make a different taste, and that is called galette. Then if you move to Central Europe, country like Austria, Hungary and Slovakia, you will see a mixture of small pieces of food. That means different type of food which one be chopped and used to stuff in a pancake. A pre-cooked field of stewed meat and vegetable. In this pancake they can use meat and vegetable, and it will wrapped with a roll, like people wrap the gift with the pretty paper, like that texture it is shown here. And steak, that means a tidy pile of something, roll and then cooked and served with a rich creamy sauce on top. After that people apply the sauce, that means creamy sauce, which is rich with creamy, and served to the people. And there are countless local variation of each from region to region. That means from particular area to different area, the taste, shape and appearance and the texture, it is very different, totally different. You will see the same type of pancake, but when you enjoy that one, you will see that is the different taste, and the taste has changed from variation of each from to region to region, but each and every one is guaranteed to be very tasty, but it is guaranteed that they have the different taste. Okay students, this chapter is very long, so today I want to conclude here. Then on the next class we will continue this chapter. Okay, so students, this is my request to please try to revise this chapter. Some of the word meaning are very different to find out, very new words are here, so you find out and learn the meanings. Okay, the students, take care, stay healthy, may God bless you. Thank you.